Hello from Slovenia again. So today is part 2. I will use this pouring glaze from Paint Art to seal my jars, and of course my vase, and I will pour it on my canvas that I did yesterday, that it will be, just a second, that what it will flow off, it will stay on canvas. So for this pouring glaze, it's really shiny. So you basically just pour on and let it dry. It's really easy and shiny and beautiful, like resin, but it's not so complicated, or how can I say. I will just blow here. Or just grab a stick to just help this to flow off. It's not I have tape here just on the bottom where my mechanism, or whatever, it's not a mechanism, but will come, so it should be okay. Let me just put those aside. Whoop. And the last one is vase. Just put it here. Just where you see some spots that this glaze doesn't slide, you just add a little more. To help it flow. Okay. Remove this one too. Up. And now I will tilt my canvas like that. But I will pour the excess back in as much as I can, to save as much as you can, you know. Okay, and I'm done. Really quick thing. I will just clean my jar now and I will be back when this will be dry. It takes few hours only to dry, so it's really easy, quick and shiny technique for sealing your 3D objects or your paintings. So I will be back soon. So this is a few hours later, and I already put some Christmas tree into this kind of spice jar and wrote a name, or maybe Happy Holidays or something. I will try to go a little closer, and you see how glossy this is. Oh, so I just basically, you know, pulled my tape off and put all things together, so you basically know what I mean. I will do this off camera. And this is our painting. That's how shiny this is, this glaze, and it's so smooth. Like it. It's kind of interesting piece anyway. And here is our vase. Oop. And on the vase are those that I did with glue, and it's this gloss pouring glaze on top, and the star, and this is our vase. So shiny. So I hope that you got some idea. I don't know the right word, for some Christmas gifts or something. And happy holidays to you all, and see you on the next one. Bye.